Okay, welcome. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Okay, your brother's name is Kostub, no?
Yes.
Okay, he's not here at present. Anyways, uh, where is he?
He's in Kalinak Secondary School.
Oh, Kalinak Secondary School. Why did he leave this school?
He in this school. He knows English, but he does not know Nepali. That's why.
Oh, that means he has a good control over English language and he does not have good Nepali, so he wants to learn Nepali language, right?
Yes.
So he went up there in government school.
Yes.
Okay, that's good. Okay, because all the schools are same. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
If you don't work hard, even here, if you don't work hard, you can make out nothing. But if you work hard and if you work loyally, sincerely, with full of faithfulness, sincerity, and everything is possible, even in the government. So, what do you know? What do you know about English? I mean, what do you know about grammar? Do you know what is a noun?
Yes.
Okay, let me know.
Noun is a naming word which indicates places, person name, animal name.
Okay,
things,
okay.
names.
How many nouns are there?
There are five now.
5 nouns. Okay. And what about the articles? How many articles are there? 3. What are they?
And
A and the. We don't say a. You must call it o and the. Is that clear? Okay. Then what else? So every time I see you trying to improve or develop your English language, you know. So how do you feel? How do you feel when you speak in English in the school premises? Do you feel good?
yes, I feel
And do you speak English at home?
sometimes.
Sometimes with your brother.
Yes.
Okay, whether your parents understand or not, but you must keep on practicing. I mean, you must keep on learning English. Okay. So, do you want to ask me anything? The thing that you don't know?
Yes. Yes. I don't know.
No. Do you want to have any question? Do you want to have any question? You can ask me any question.
Who teach you English?
Yeah.
Who teach you English?
Who teach you English or who? What is the verb form of teach?
Teaching. Oh, Bob four.
Verb two.
Bob taught. Who taught you English?
Oh, very good. Yes, who taught you? Of course, my teacher, my English teacher.
What is his name?
My English teacher, okay, till class 10, okay. Sir Joseph Lepcha, and 11, 12, I forgot his name. Okay, whatever it is, yes, of course, my teacher taught me. And
And anyone taught in Nepali?
yes, of course, Nepali teacher was there.
Do you know Nepali also?
Nepali, of course. What do you want to know? I know everything. I know, no, I mean, not everything. I can read, I can write the common things.
Do you know math?
Math. I was not that good at mathematics.
In your childhood, do you read math subject?
Did you?
Did you?
Yes, we had mathematics. We had a subject. We had a subject like you do. Okay, and we had a math teacher, and I was not that bad, but it has been almost 10 or 12 years that I have left mathematics. So the things that I had learned in my school days, I have forgotten. For example, a plus b square, a square plus 2ab plus b square, a square minus 2ab plus b square, a plus b whole square. No, these are things I know. Sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. Most of the things I forgot. Anyways, any question? Other questions?
I don't have any other questions.
You don't have any other question? Why so bad, man? Keep on speaking. I always feel, I always love to talk to you. You know, I always love spending time talking to you.
Which is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit,
Yes.
of course, mango.
And which is your favorite vegetable?
Vegetable. Okay, let me see. Let me say. What to call? Vegetable. What do I like? Most of the time, do you believe that most of the time I don't prefer vegetables? Okay. Anyways, I like potato.
Potato.
Yes, potato.
Potato most.
Yeah, most.
Do you visit India in your entire life?
Have you ever?
Have
See-
you ever
have you ever visited India?
visited India in your entire life?
Oh, in my entire life.
Yes.
Okay, I'm very happy to tell you that I'm all the way from India. Okay, and I visit it often. Okay,
Do you visit foreign countries? Like
Foreign
China-
countries.
China.
no. I have never been to China. I want to be, but I have never been to China. Okay, this what we call Dubai.
Do you visit
Have you?
out of Nepal or India?
No, not yet. Only Nepal to India, India to Nepal. That's it.
What is the work which you do in India?
Pardon? Would you kindly repeat the same question again?
Which work is done by you in India?
Oh, of course, schooling. I mean, teaching.
How many years old are you now?
Okay, at present, I'm running 32.
32
Yes.
years old.
Yeah, 32 years old. Do I look like that, or do I look young or older?
You look like the mixture of younger and older.
Whoa, the mixture of younger and older. That means I neither look older nor younger. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, so what I was thinking about is, so what do you wanna say about me? If you have to describe me, so how do you describe me?
I describe my best teacher from English in my entire life.
Is it?
Yes.
Okay, you cannot decide like that. Not the entire of your life, because see, as the days pass through, you will meet up many teachers like me. Okay, many teachers like me, and what will you do at that time?
I see you first English teacher in my entire life.
Oh, that means I'm the first English teacher that you are very happy to have, right? Okay, that's why you want to learn English. Even I'm not perfect, okay? Even I'm not perfect in English. So day by day, we have to develop our language. We got to have a good control over the language. So I have been trying my level best. So I hope you two are doing the same, right?
Yes.
Are you trying your level best to improve your English?
Yes, I am.
Yes, you are. Okay. I'm so happy. Kastub, what's your name? Kaumat. I'm so happy you are in class 4, and you are really enthusiastic, hardworking, you know. You always want to learn new thing. You never get tired of learning. I'm really proud of you. I'm really proud to have such a student like you. Okay?
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. See you again.
Okay, sir.
Okay, at last, what do you want to say? I mean, what kind of message do you want to reveal to your fans? They are your followers, no? Okay. What do you want to say?
say in your life, always do hard work. Only hard work, no, not. Do smart work also.
Okay, oh, not only hard work.
Yes.
Always be committed, be associated with the smart work. Very good. Clap for him, everyone. Wow. Okay, thank you. Let me shake my hand with you. The professor, Kaumat professor. Very good. Okay, bye.
Bye, sir.
Oh, by the way, what happened in your teeth? How many teeth are there? Oh, what happened in your tooth? Tooth means singular, okay? And the plural form of tooth is teeth. Okay, how many teeth are not there?
4.
4 teeth are not there. What happened? Okay, anyways, let's wind up.